AI tools are everywhere, but if you want to automate your workflows, three names keep popping up: Langflow, Flowise, and N8N. So which one is actually worth your time? Langflow is designed for building complex LLM chains visually. If you're working with tools like OpenAI or Langchain, Langflow makes it easy to drag, drop, and test AI logic without writing everything from scratch. Great for prototyping, but mostly focused on LLMs, not general automation. Flowise is quite similar, but with broader support for AI agents and tools. It's more user-friendly, offers integrations, and has a growing open-source community. If you're looking to build smart chatbots or AI workflows fast, Flowise might be the most accessible of the three. N8N, meanwhile, is the all-rounder. It's not built just for AI, it's for everything. Think Zapier, but open source and way more customizable. You can connect hundreds of apps, trigger complex logic, and now even add AI steps inside your flows. So, Langflow for deep AI chains, Flowise for accessible agent workflows, and N8N for full-scale automation across your entire tech stack. This is How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.